I think there are a couple of things here. One, which is, whenever we work with kids, we train all of our therapists to be talkative, even when the child's not. Why? Because they need to hear a lot of language. They need to be exposed to a lot of language, right? Now, the problem is for a child that doesn't talk necessarily like of their own volition, like, oh, unless I want something, it's awkward in the beginning for therapists to keep on talking when the child doesn't, like, it just gets a little bit uncomfortable for somebody that's unfamiliar with it, right? But you have to kind of ignore that, because the child needs a lot of exposure to language, and so you want to just get used to narrating things that are going on. Oh, I see a blah, blah, blah. Oh, that's a really blah, blah, blah. Like, you're always kind of narrating stuff and exposing them to language. Now, the other thing is maybe the child just doesn't know to comment. So you can create a program where you're just teaching them to comment about stuff, to talk about something, So you show them something and then you teach them, okay, tell me about it, and having them describe it or whatnot. Now, the thing is, I can't really give you very, very particular programs in mind, because I just actually don't know what verbal skill level your child's at, Oh, can they answer all conversational questions? Can they make comparable statements, So like if one child says, oh, I love pizza, can your child say, oh, I love whatever it is that they love, or my favorite color is green, and your child can match that statement, And if they can do that, then you continue and teach more and more complex levels of conversational language as well.